morning, students. I hope you all are good and safe at your places. So, yes, everyone, welcome back to our EVS class. As you all know, our chapter number 20 was going on. That was yes, travel to another place. So we were doing this chapter and our book work is completed. Today our chapter will be completed because today we will be starting with the notebook work, and I request you all to keep your notebooks with you and open that because we are starting with the notebook work today. And yes, first of all we will be doing keywords and then we will be doing question answers. So let's get started and write down the name of the chapter, that is travel to another place, lesson number 20. And here you have to write the date and the class work. Is it correct? Then you will have to make a heading of keywords here. Now, after making this heading, we are starting with the keywords. Here are 10 keywords written here. So one by one I will be describing each of them. So yes, first is the tradition. Tradition, tradition. I think you all have heard about this meaning. Its meaning like tradition. Tradition is a transmission of customs from generation to generation. Like फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन. पहले हमारे पूर्वजों के टाइम में जो बहुत हमसे मतलब हमारे दादाजी के दादाजी लाइक बहुत टाइम से जो चीज़ चलती आ रही है, कस्टम्स होते हैं, रिवाज, जो रिवाज काफ़ी टाइम से चलते आ रहे हैं फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन, दैट इज नॉन एज ट्रेडिशन. करेक्ट. Then the second is culture. Culture, that is culture. Culture means customs, some ideas, or that is belief of society, or we can say country. जो हमारी कंट्री में जो चीज़ें मीन्स वी कैन से लाइक कस्टम्स हैं, जो भी रिवाज हैं, जो भी आइडियाज हैं वो हमारी सोसाइटी में या कंट्री में, दैट इज नॉन एज अ कल्चर. CULTURE, कल्चर. क्लियर. Then third keyword is ancient. Ancient meaning is very old. जो हमारी हिस्ट्री में हुआ था, बहुत पहले की बात है. दैट इज जो बहुत पहले हुई थी चीजें. दो ज्यादा एंशियंट प्लेसेस हैं, कुछ ऐसी बहुत टाइम पहले बनी थी, बट दे आर पॉपुलर इवन नाउ ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दैट इज एंशियंट. ANCIENTE, ancient. Then next is fourth keyword, engrossed. Engrossed meaning so interested in something that something give it all your attention. मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज बहुत ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव है, टेक्स आवर अटेंशन. हमारी सारी अटेंशन कहाँ गई? उसी चीज पर. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ engrossed. क्लियर. देन नेक्स्ट इज डाइवर्सिटी. डाइवर्सिटी मीन्स वी कैन से अ वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ समथिंग. किसी चीज की बहुत सारी वेराइटी, दैट इज diversity. DIVERSITY, diversity. Clear. Then sixth is unity. What is the meaning of unity? Unity is the situation in which many people have to work together, right? So, काफी people को क्या करना हो, they are working together. It is a situation where people are working together. That is unity. Okay. Then next is seventh, kangaroo. KANGRI, kangaroo. Kangaroo is a pot which is we can say full of coal, and ये ठंड के टाइम उनके पास होता है, पीपल्स के पास, in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, this is a kangaroo. Then eighth is paper match. It is material that is made with paper. Right? It is a material that is made with paper which is mixed with the water and glue or some other substances to make that paper hard. So that is the paper match. And then next is heritage. HERITAGE, heritage. So what is the meaning of heritage? We can say some traditions or qualities that exist for the long time. जो ऐसे customs, ऐसे चीजें हैं, ऐसी प्लेसेस हैं जो काफी टाइम तक चलती आई, दोज आर नॉन एज हेरिटेज. देन 10th इज ट्राइब्स. सो ट्राइब कौन होते हैं? ट्राइब आर द पीपल, दैट ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल दैट हैव सेम लैंग्वेज और सेम कस्टम, and they have a leader also, and that have a लीडर, उसके अंदर एक लीडर भी होता है. So those are the tribe peoples. Clear? So these were 10 keywords. Again repeating. Sorry. Tradition, culture, ancient, engrossed, diversity, unity, kangaroo, paper match, and then heritage, and then tribes. Okay. So yes, after this we are starting with the very short question answers. Okay. So yes, let's get started. Make a heading of very short question answer. Everyone make a heading of very short question answer. I'm erasing it. Okay. Like this. And the first question is, which city is known as the Pink City? Do you all know? Which city is known as the Pink City? Pink City कौन सी है? कौन सी city को Pink City के name से जाना जाता है? Which city is known as the Pink City? Yes, you all are correct. That is Jaipur. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. Right? Jaipur is known as the Pink City, and it is कैपिटल. कौन सी स्टेट की कैपिटल है ये? जयपुर. डू यू नो? इट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ राजस्थान. इट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ राजस्थान. क्लियर? Again repeating, which city is known as the Pink City? Jaipur is known as the Pink City. It is the capital of Rajasthan. Do it fast. Then question number 2. Name the capital of Kerala. So you all know about it. The capital of Kerala. We did it in class 3rd also. So yes, right here, Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Write the answer. THIRU, Thiruvanant, VANANTH, Thiruvananthapuram, PURAM, Puram. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Correct? So yes, giving you few seconds to write it. Then we will be doing short question answer. Yes, students, now everyone make a heading of short question answer. Here we are starting with the first short question answer. So that is, write a letter to your friend giving the following information about Jammu and Kashmir. अब Jammu and Kashmir के बारे में अगर आपने किसी को information देनी है, if you are sending a letter to your friend, what you all will be write? हमें एक तो बतानी है उसकी capital, and second we have to tell dress, kahwa and kangaroos. Okay, so quickly write this question. Write a letter to your friend giving the following information about Jammu and Kashmir. So yes, firstly, write here capital. Capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. SRINAGAR, Srinagar. Then second is dress. Dress is Firan. PHIRAN, Firan. Then third is kahwa. What is kahwa? Kahwa is a special type of tea. A special type of tea. Kahwa is special type of tea. Then Kangris. Kangris is a small pot with burning coal in it. Kangris is a small pot with burning coal in it. Clear? Again repeating, write a letter to your friend giving the following information about Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Their dress is Firan. Their kahwa is a special type of tea. Kangris is a small pot with burning coal in it. Okay. Now, after this, write the question number 2. That is, what we have to do in this question, we have to describe about the Meghalaya. Meghalaya, which is giving following information. Describe Meghalaya. Yeah, describe Meghalaya giving the following information. क्या information हमने देनी है? We have to tell the capital of the Meghalaya. We have to tell about the Mason Ram. We have to tell about the tribal people and the tribal dress. Okay. So yes, I am erasing the question number first and writing the second answer here. So yes, everyone, write it in your notebook in good handwriting. Okay. So yes, write the answer here. Answer is the capital of Meghalaya. What is the capital of Meghalaya? The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Now we have to tell about Mason Ram. Right? Mason Ram, there is a place called Mason Ram in Meghalaya. Place called Mason Ram in Meghalaya. Which receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. Which receives the heaviest rainfall right? Heaviest rainfall in the world. Right? Then the tribal people. We have to tell about the tribal. We have to tell about the tribal people. The tribal people of Meghalaya have their own customs. Right here. Tribal people आपको बताया था मैंने कौन होते हैं? उनके पास खुद के customs होते हैं. Tribal people have their own customs and they wear colorful and they wear colorful clothes. And they wear colorful clothes. Then that is it. सिर्फ इतना ही करना है हमें. Okay. About this question, the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. There is a place called Mason Ram and in Meghalaya, which receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. The tribal people have their own customs and they wear colorful clothes. About their dress, we already had told here also, right? So yes, this was about the short question answers. Now, that is it we are not doing long question answers. It's long question answer we will be not doing because we have a very much syllabus, so we are not including its long question, and it is very long for you all. And yes, we I think you all know about the Kerala when we read about it. So yeah, I can ask in the short question answers, like in 1 mark question answers, like what is the famous dance, what is the language of Kerala, right? So this you all have to read from your book properly. So we are not doing long question answer of this chapter, right? So yes, from tomorrow also I will be sending, no, tomorrow I am not sending any class. This Friday I am not sending any class, but on Monday I will send the class. I will not be coming live, and in that class we will be starting with a new chapter. And today I am giving you homework to learn. Okay, so your homework to learn is, here I am writing the homework. Your homework is learn lesson number 19, paying for travel, bookwork, and read this chapter. Okay, so this is your homework to do for today. And yes, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye all. Take care.